Here I have BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, languages and input, on-screen keyboard, Gboard, languages, add keyboard. Here you can see the whole list of the available keyboard languages. So let's pick, for example, I don't know, maybe Armenian. And now let's try to write something in Armenian. And as you can see, now I have Armenian layout here on my keyboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.